Good afternoon, dear children. This is your English teacher. Now, as you know that yesterday we have seen some conjunctions like and, so, and but. We have seen that how to use these three conjunction for joining the two sentences. Okay. Now today let's see the another examples of conjunction. Okay. So first of all, let's remind what we have seen yesterday. So yesterday we have seen that how to pronounce conjunction. Okay. Then we have seen how to use and. So first sentence is Joseph ate a hot dog and Joseph ate a French fries. So what we have to do, we have to just join these two sentences by using and. So it will be Joseph ate a hot dog and French fries. Okay. So and join the similar ideas together. Understood? Now again the next example, that is Sarah went to the park and Sarah met her friend Michelle. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to just join these two sentences by using and. So Sarah went to the park and met her friend Michelle. Okay. In this type you have to do these conjunctions. So in this type we can just join the sentences by using and. Then another one, he is hungry, he is tired. Okay. So in this what we have to just do, we have to just join these two sentences by using and. So what will be our sentence? He is hungry and tired. Okay. In this type you have to just complete these sentences by using and. Now so first sentence is it was raining, we brought an umbrella. Okay. So what we have to just do, we have to just join these two sentences by using so, because so shows that the second idea is the result of the first one. Because of its raining, we have to brought an umbrella. Okay. So in this type we have to use the word so, the conjunction so. Okay. Then we have also seen about the but. So he wanted to buy a game, he didn't have any money. Okay. So what is the use of but? But joins two opposite ideas together. Okay. He wanted to buy a game but he didn't have money. Okay. Because he didn't have money, he cannot buy the game. Okay. So he wanted to buy a game but he didn't have any money. Then next, he wanted to go to school but he wanted to go to school, he was sick. Okay. So both are the sentences are different. Okay. So that's why we have to join it by using but. Okay. Because of the second is the result of first one. Okay. So what will be the answer? He wanted to go to school but he was sick. That means but joins two opposite ideas together. Okay. Then next, this is the practice sentence. She wants to do her homework. She wants to do her homework. She forgot what to do. Okay. So she wants to do homework. What happened then? She forgot what to do. So that's why what happened, we have to just join this sentence by using but. So what will be the sentence? She wants to do her homework but she forgot what to do. Understood? In this type you can use and, so, and but in the sentences for joining the two sentences. Understood? So let's repeat it again. So what are the conjunctions? Conjunction are words that join two or more words, phrases and clauses. Okay, the conjunction are used to join two or more words. It may be phrases or it may be clauses. So let's take a look on some examples. Joining two or more words. Okay, the dog scratched and panted. So we are joining these two words by using and. Scratched and panted. Okay, so now how to join the phrases. Joining two or more phrases. So my doctor can choose to measure my height, my weight, or check my temperature. Okay, so here my height, my weight, or check my temperature. We are joining these three phrases by using or. Okay, then conjunctions. What is the function of conjunction? It joins two similar ideas. Okay, so this and that, bread and butter, milk and honey. Okay, these two words we used most of the time together. Okay, so this joined by using and. Okay, then another examples. I am tired, I am hungry. Okay, so what will be the answer? I am tired and hungry. I did my homework, I cleaned my room. That means two similar things are happening here. Okay, two similar ideas are happening here, so we have to join it by using and. I did my homework and I cleaned my room. Understood? Now but it joined two contrasting opposite idea. Okay, here what is happening? Similar ideas are joining. Okay, but here two contrast ideas are joining. So I looked everywhere, I could not find any my book. Okay, so I looked everywhere but I could not find my book. Both the sentences are different from each other. Then he is small, he is strong. He is small and he is strong. Both the sentences are different from each other. So this sentence can join by using but. He is small but strong. Understood? Now or shows a choice between two or more options. Okay, if you want ice cream or if you want chocolate. Okay, so what we have to use in this sentence is or. If you want chocolate or ice cream. Okay, that means you have to choose any one among the two or lots of options. So the examples are, we can go to the movie, we can stay at home. That means we can do the two things. We can go to the movie or we can stay at home. So this sentence we can join by using or. That means we can go to the movies or stay at home. Now should I have my bath and should I have the dinner? So should I have my bath or dinner? Understood? So now how to use then. I ate a burger, I ate a slice of cake. Okay, that means first we have to do one thing, then finish another thing. Okay, I ate a burger, then a slice of cake. Okay, I ate a burger and a slice of cake. You can also use the and here. Okay, so in this type these all are the conjunction words: as, so, then, and, or, but. Okay, it is to connect words, phrases or sentences to each other. Okay, in this type all these are the conjunction we used to join the two sentences. Okay, understood? So dear children, this is it for today's video. If you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me. So till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.